Magandang araw po, my dear friends. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, Dance TV. Now, ang topic natin ngayon, my dear friends, papaano ba mag-renew ng old NC2 into e-certificate. So, ibig sabihin po, yung NC2 na hard copy pa po, hindi pa po NC2. Papaano ba ito ma-renew? Okay. Now, bago pong lahat, huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe at hit the bell button para updated ka sa ating mga videos. Okay? Now, paano ba mag-renew? Of course, first of all, tingnan nyo po yung NC2 certificate nyo kung expired na po ba. Now, kung expired na, hay nako, pwede na po yan natin i-renew. Take note po, ang validity po ng ating ang certificate or NC2 certificate is 5 years, no? Within the validity of 5 years, my dear friends, dapat nagamit nyo po yan, no? Meaning to say, if meron kang automotive NC2, dapat nagamit mo po yung NC2 mo. Meaning, naging auto mechanica or naging assistant mechanica as long as related to your NC2 within 12 months or 1 year. Okay? Kung nagtuturo ka po, my dear friends, kailangan lang po yung teaching experience mo, duly notarized po, duly signed sa inyong principal, at duly notarized sa abogado. Okay? Kailangan na po naka-indicate sa iyong COA na nagtuturo ka po ng iyong NC2. Okay? On the other hand, kung nagtrabaho ka po sa isang kumpanya, certificate of employment lang po galing sa iyong employer. Duly notarized pa rin sa abogado. Okay? So, anong gagawin? Punta ka sa TISDA Provincial Office. Dalhin mo yung original NC2 mo. Original ha, take note, original NC2. Tapos, yung COE mo, duly notarized. Tapos, dapat magdala ka ng 2 pieces passport size ID with white background. Yung may color po, no? Tapos po, 35 pesos for the processing fee, no, of your e-certificate. Okay? So, pipicturan ka po ng TISDA personnel for your e-certificate. Kailangan lang po, kumpletuhin mo yung required information from the application form. No? Dapat sakto yung name, last name, first name, at saka surname mo, date of birth, and then, of course, yung email address. Napaka-importante po, my dear friends, yung email address nyo po. Dapat sakto po kasi dyan po isi-send ng TISDA ang iyong e-certificate na renewed na po. Okay? Kailan mo po makukuha? Within 72 hours. Okay? Within 72 hours. Okay? Or after or pag nag-renew ka ng morning, makukuha na po yan within the day. Okay? Ganun po, no? So, yun po, my dear friends, ang procedures kung paano ba mag-renew ng ating old NC2. So, yung old NC2 mo, re-replacean po yan ng e-certificate na isi-send ng TISDA sa iyong registered email address. I-print nyo lang po ng A4 size at yun na po, valid na po yan within 5 years. Kung gusto nyong i-verify ulit sa TISDA, pwede po dalhin nyo doon, tapos i-verify mo. Pero valid na po yan, my dear friends, within 5 years. Okay? So, I hope meron kayong natutunan ngayon, my dear friends, sa ating topic, no? Kung paano ba ma-renew ang ating old NC2 into a certificate. Okay? Now, laging tandaan, sa TISDA, basta sama-sama, kayang-kaya. Okay? Thank you for watching.